two because taking two because here. Still in the air, I hear myself breathing. Flying by a dread, my heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me what ain't so much to ask. If you break it, tell me gently and not breaking it stay without you beside me. And I would hold to the day. Tomorrow will just be a memory that I look back at all of this and wonder why I stayed here just to watch you. This piece of I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? So before it's too late, I take this step away. No one will make me go rushing back to you. So I just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making what you wrong, then just let it all go? Let me take it before it sinks in. What the fuck was that? Before